Novelcrafter Codex. My name is Avon Lee Dean. On the left-hand side you see a typical codex. A codex is an organized collection of entries, like characters and locations, that serves as a reference guide for both the author and the AI. Codex is important because it will affect the two main AI in Novelcrafter. The one responsible for generating scene beats in the writing section. And the one in chat. Here is a plan for this tutorial. We will start with two documents. Character.txt and locations.txt. And we will use them to create our codex. We will show how to do it in three different ways. Manually. Automatically via chat. Via template novel. Okay, let's now go to Novelcrafter and see how this is done. We are inside a browser. Inside our Novelcrafter account. On the right-hand side I have some documents. The first one is character.txt, that contains my characters. And then I have locations.txt, that contains my locations. Let's go to Novelcrafter and create a new novel. We will call it Novel 1. Click on Create Novel. We want to create our codex. The easiest way is just to add entries. So we click on New Entry and select Character. Then we can go to our characters and copy Hank. Place in description. And then fix the name. And then I press the Tab key. And click outside, and there I have my first entry. Now I will create a new entry. Select Character. And this time I will take Jesse. Place in description. Fix the name. And then as a nickname, I will put Kid, because that is what he is sometimes called. Okay, and the last one is Rachel. So we'll create a new character. And this time I will copy Rachel. Place in description. Fix the name. Press the Tab key. And click outside. Now we will fix the locations. Make new entry. Location. Copy the wilderness. Place in description. Fix the name. Press the Tab key. And click outside. Make new entry. Location. Copy the Red Creek. Place in description. Fix the name. Press the Tab key. And click outside. There we have our codex. Now this was easy, but a typical novel contains something like 30 characters and maybe 20 locations. Then it is not that fun to create one entry at a time. So the question is if there is some more convenient way. And there is a way via chats. But first we must clear our codex, we must do it one entry at a time. So we're going to go to chat. New thread. Open thread. Choose haiku. Enter the following prompt. Format the following text so that I can extract it into codex. Go to character.txt. Copy everything. And paste it in. And send it away. And there I have my 3 characters. Click on Extract. Code is entries 3, and I can see that everything looks good. So I will click on Save Entries. Go to my codex and now I have my 3 characters. Now let's do the same thing for locations. Go to Chat. New Thread. Open Thread. Choose Haiku. Enter the following prompt. Go to locations.txt. Copy everything. And paste it in. And send it away. Now, this looks good because I see the location names in bold. So I will extract. Codex entries 2. The wilderness now is not character, neither is Red Creek. So I can click here and change type for all. Choose location. Click on Save Entries. And if I now go to Codex, I see that my codex is okay. There is one more thing to do before we finish. I want to make a copy of this codex, to use in another novel. Go back and create a new novel. Click here on Use Template. And select Novel 1. Select only Codex, it's enough. And I will call this Novel 2. And as you can see, I have inherited the codex from our template. Okay, let's now go to Summary and summarize. In Summary there are 3 ways to create the codex. Manually, which is okay if our codex is very small. Automatically via chat when our codex is big. A third way is by copying the codex from another novel via template. Okay, that's everything for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.